Before you remove the oil pan, you want to make sure to drain the oil filter or remove the oil filter so that the oil that's in the oil filter cartridge or housing drains out as well. Just slowly lift it, let the oil drain out and most of it drip off of the filter. If you have a belly pan, remove the belly pan. It's just held on by a bunch of screws on both sides. Dented oil pan due to tow truck mishap. Once the oil is drained, put the drain plug back in. M12. If this splash guard is in the way, you can just move it or take it right off. And this one's broken. Use a magnet. Use a magnet if the bolts don't want to come out. The best way to get to at the last two is with a 1/4 inch swivel. You can see the bolt head through this hole, but you take it out of this one. One of the bolts fell in behind the bell housing here, so you need a magnet that you can bend. And the last bolt is over here. Same thing, you look through this hole just to see the head. You'll see better on your car. Okay. There's a bunch of places where you can insert a pry tool. I use a cat's claw. You can use whatever works. Sometimes this doesn't work as well. So there's a spot here, there's a spot here, and same on the other side. Okay, then clean the mating surface. Installation is universal removal. These bolts can be reused, just clean them up. Obviously a new oil filter. It only fits one way. You can see there's a shallow ring here and there's a deep hole here. On the filter it'll say which way it sits. And you might actually only, yeah, it won't even fit the one way, so it'll only fit one way, but it will say top, and this is the top.